Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with this poster who asked to fix this photo by color correcting and lightening it. Now, I don't know if I can actually even fix this photo. Let's see what Photoshop Elements wants to do on its own first. And let's go to Enhance. Actually, I'm going to unlock the picture. Let's go to Enhance and try just the Auto Smart Fix. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, it didn't do too much. It did a little bit, but not too much. Let's try that again. Go to Enhance, and let's this time choose Auto Color Correction. This is going to give me an option. Look at that. Wow. And finally, let's go to Enhance one more time and go to Auto Smart Tone. And what this does is it gives us an option to move the lever over to this side or down here or over here, and it represents each side of the screen. You can see where the colors change. So if it started out in the middle, I actually want to lighten it up a little bit, so I'm going to do that this way. I think that's better. If you go down here, you get too contrasty. So let's go up here so it looks more natural and bring it up really, really bright like this. Actually, I like that. Somewhere around here. That looks pretty good. We like that. We can see the before and the after. Big difference. Now you can actually make out the faces. I'm going to hit OK. This photo had a lot of information missing, but I think that's a heck of a lot better than it was before. If you wanted to get rid of all these little lines and stuff, what you want to do is grab the Band-Aid tool. And basically it's a spot healing tool. And what you do is you just click it and make sure that the round circle is just a little bit bigger than what you're fixing. And you can see what it's doing. It's fixing all, and you can even drag it a little bit. I can drag it like that. I can go like this. Boom. Look at that. It's fixing all the little spots in here. So that's pretty much as far as what we're going to get. I'm going to go ahead and grab the cropping tool, and I'm going to recrop this a little bit lower like that. And call it a day. This is Rich calling it quits for this quick tutorial saying over and out.